Katie, are we alone now? Is it just us two? Okay. Hi guys, I just wanted to steal this moment because it's my moment now in DKW while the show just finished to let you guys know a little secret. That's right, you know the Love School event everyone's talking about with Renato and Chris Cardoso on the 22nd of September? Well, between 2 and 4, if you get there early, we're going to be doing DKW's Got Talent. That's right, DKW's Got Talent. Right, I know!
You can't do that. It's called DKW, a different kind of woman, including one of the main hosts, Jennifer Mensah.
She said it.
I'm joking, but we are going to be at Wembley Arena. I'm so excited.
We're going to be providing the entertainment.
I'm telling you.
I'm going to be watching the entertainment.
You've got to be in there.
You've got to be in there.
Win something special.
I'm telling you, we're going to be doing
over X Factor.
I'm telling you, DKW's Got Talent. So if you think you can sing and you want to win a prize, you need to see yourself there. We've got a fab competition going on. And if you think you can wow our judges, who knows, you might just be the next hottest thing on Wembley Arena.
Just come early between 2 and 4. We're going to give you the list of songs. You can nominate yourself. And that's it. You can be performing in front of 11,000 people.
Plus.
11,000 plus. And imagine, if you're good enough, you can get a special DKW prize.
Woo-woo. And just to mention, it's not just for singles, duo acts included, and groups. We've got a few group songs there if you want to choose. If you feel like you can't brave it out yourself, grab a friend and sing along.
DKW.me for more info.